Hi you guys, thank you for joining me tonight. This is part one of my ice cream cake tutorial. I love making ice cream cakes. I have a lot of fun mixing different cake types with different ice cream. And the tool that I use to make this is the Bon Cook round mold. This is a flexi pan. See how it's flexible? So it's made of food grade silicone and a woven glass mesh. And then we have our perforated baking sheet, and this is going to be the support system for it, the base that holds all of our cookware products. I love this mold because you can go from making an ice cream cake to roasting a chicken in the oven. You could use it to make popcorn or kettle corn in the microwave, steam veggies, make rice, any type of casserole that you're going to make. A lasagna or potatoes au gratin. It'll come out of here without any mess, no scrubbing, totally non-stick. This never requires any oils or sprays. And then we have our octagonal bond mat. This works as a lid for when you're doing the steaming for rice and veggies and other things. And you can use this in the microwave. And then it's freezer safe, as we're going to use it to put this ice cream cake together. And it's just super flexible. You can turn the whole thing completely inside out. So today I am making a ice cream carrot cake, and I'm just using store products. I'm kind of short on time, but I'm using this Duncan Hine classic carrot cake mix, and I really like this one. It has carrots and raisins that you rehydrate. So it's really good. And then I bought cream cheese frosting at Fred Meyer. You could use the kind in the can, but I like to get it from the bakery if I'm not making it myself. But it's pretty simple to mix up yourself too. And then secret ingredient for my ice cream carrot cake is this horchata ice cream, cinnamon horchata. A lot of people don't know what horchata is, but it's cinnamon Mexican rice milk, cinnamon rice milk. It is so good. If you've never had it, I highly recommend that you go and try it. It's like cake in a cup. It's just delicious. So you can get it at Muchas Gracias, Don Pedro, Filiberto's, whatever your local Mexican place is. So I'm just gonna mix up this cake tonight and bake it. And then I'm gonna come back and show you how I cut it and put the ice cream in. Carrot, and then I'm going to let that set up overnight. Tomorrow morning I'm going to come back and frost it, and I'm going to take it to work to share with my coworkers, so they're pretty lucky. So this part is pretty simple. I mean, I'm just following the directions on the cake box to mix this up. So the instructions say to grease and flour your pan, but with Bon Cook products, you never need to do that. So I like that. It makes it healthier. So we're just going to mix the cake mix, oil, eggs, and carrot in a large bowl. I'm going to use my mixer just for the ease of everything. And I've already cracked my eggs. Already measured my oil, and the water that you add is already hydrated our carrots and raisins. So really simple. I'm just going to put everything in, start mixing. Like to get all the goodies in there. Okay. So the oven's already preheated to 350. Mix this up and scrape around the edges to make sure. Get all the batter mixed in. I love carrot cakes. It's one of my favorite. I've done other combinations though. I've done a strawberry cake with strawberry cheesecake ice cream, and then use buttercream frosting, crushed golden Oreos, and fresh strawberries on top. I've done a lemon cake with lemon ice cream that I kind of made myself from a vanilla, and I added lemon zest to it, to the ice cream itself. And that one I just turned buttercream into lemon frosting for that. I make Oreo ones all the time. Everybody loves the Oreo ones. So this cake is all mixed up. Love my KitchenAid mixer. Bit of that. So, Bonbook also makes these awesome scrapers that just really help you get all of the batter right out. I'm going to center it on there. Just very quickly, you can just clean out a bowl. Then you can kind of tamp it down, just let it settle and get the air bubbles out. But really it will settle and be fine. So this is going to have to bake for at least 35 minutes. So I will come back later and cut the cake and put in the ice cream and show you guys all of that. So thanks so much for watching part 1, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.